Welcome back to the channel. Right, you're joining me today from the Ribble Valley once again. 8 days away now from the Fred Whitton, and some good news at last. I don't know if you had watched my previous video on the Strada Sportive, but I had to complete that ride on my winter bike, my Domane, which I borrowed my girlfriend's wheels for. It did make the ride a lot better. The bike does have issues. The derailleur's gone on the rear, and the front derailleur's playing up as well. It's full of rust. I think that's from winter Zwift riding. But anyway, the good news is she's back, and thank you very much, SRAM. I know I had to go through the ball ache of sending my derailleur back and being told it was going to be the 27th of May it was going to arrive back. Specialise in Chester sorted me out. They had one left in the store, and themselves they weren't going to get any more till June, so thankfully there was one, and they've swapped it over. And when mine arrives from SRAM, which is the E1 I'm getting in return instead of a D1, which is really good at SRAM, as they're around £675. When it does arrive, they'll just put mine in the box. So yeah, good news. We're hopefully ready for the Fred. This one's a bit of a, today it's just about 35 miles. It's about bedding in new tyres and checking the bike over, seeing everything's ready for next week. So I won't have any time now before then anyhow. Yeah, kind of nervous, but I have been training for it for quite a while now, so we should go all right. And I've done a lot more training before I did it last year. Right, anyway, let's get on with this ride. Well, and these are views we've been waiting for all winter. You just cannot beat the Ribble Valley on a sunny day. It's absolutely beautiful. You can see for miles up here. I don't know if you can on the camera though. We're going to drop down now to the inn at Whitewell, loop round, go to Chip In, quick coffee stop, and then I think I might have a go at Jeffery Hill in reverse and then head back, see how I feel. So I'm always supposed to be taking it steady today. Just a quick run out on the bike, seeing everything's all right with it. To be fair, I could avoid the Roman road and head to Sabden and climb up. I can't remember the road name, but a segment up there. Yeah, you've seen it a few times on my channel. It's usually what if I want to drop down from Nicker-Pendle in reverse. Anyway, I am waffling on. Let's get down this beautiful descent. I've just come out of chipping, had a coffee. I was there a lot longer than I should have been. A nice couple and 2 other lads that were on bikes. Had a good chat with them. Yeah, asking where we're going. I think they wanted me to go with them toward Longridge, but not happening. I'm going to do Jeffery Hill, and I'm going to drop down Birdie Brow, and make my way home. I don't think I've got enough time to head towards Sabden and go up that climb. It's getting a bit late in the day. It was only just to test the bike out today. I'm not going to gain anything now before the Fred. No chance. I must admit, these new brakes are fantastic. A lot better than the old SRAM Red D1 brakes. The ergonomics of these new hoods, really comfortable. That 1 finger pull now on the levers, splendid. Hey, right, I think get our way to Jeffery Hill, get up this horrible climb. At least I've just done 1 today then. Right. Oh, here we go. Wow. Well, that's Jeffery Hill done again. Felt good going up that. Bit of a confidence booster for next week. Hey, let's see if I've got PR. If I have, pop it up here. Right, I'm gonna make this quick. Let's get down this fast descent and get back. I think I've definitely worn my brakes in today. Well, that's my last proper ride done until the Fred. yeah, I think the nerves are going to be kicking in this week. I'm really looking forward to it, don't get me wrong. I have trained for it. I am confident, just hard not pass scares you. No, but it's for anyone who is going to do the Fred Whitton for the first time, whether it's this year, next year, the year after, whenever it is, just enjoy your day out. It's spectacular. It's the best sportive by far in the UK. The support from the locals is just on another level. It's even on one of the corners. I think it's about 3/4 in, or maybe 2/3 into the ride. I can't remember the call. I think it's something like Team X, whatever it is. I'll have to put it on here. But anyway, they're partying on one of the corners, handing out Haribo drinks. It's absolutely brilliant, and the event, the day spurs you on, like really does. Yeah, and I'm really looking forward to that. It's brilliant. You know, lots of cowbells going, and I've never been on a sportive like it. But yeah, can't wait now. But yeah, I am a little bit nervous. Anyway, I've done around 37 miles, 3,300 feet for the day's ride. Mate, I think in the last week you're not going to gain or lose anything, are you, before the Fred? It's what's happened in the last few months, what matters. But I'm happy with the bike. The bike's ready. The indexing's fine. Tyres, the new tyres are brilliant. Brakes are brilliant. Bedded in the new brake pads. Yeah, super happy. We're ready for it. I'm also going to be doing some social media videos in the run up to the Fred, and on the day when we check in, which is the Saturday. So if anyone does want to see them, whoever's on Instagram, I'll leave the link in the description below. But yeah, that's it now. And my next video after this will be the aftermath, well, the Fred Whitton. Hopefully I've survived. But yeah, anyway, thanks again guys for watching. If you could like and subscribe, that'd be brilliant. And I'll see you in the next one.